I bought the dip. Not fully in, but just a little bit. Just so you know.
I'll let them know.
Yeah. So if you want to rotate your ETH, could be a play. Just so you know.
Wow, how much farther back is Sol where it should be?
Oh,
I guess Sol can go up another 100%.
I think, yeah, I could easily go up another 50. So.
See what you're saying.
How do I get this better? All right. What's good, boys? What's good? What's good? I don't even know if there's anyone in here. All right. Let me let everyone know. All right. So let's get this for the record books. It is September 28th, 2025. I have entered Solana. I bought in earlier this morning at 200 and it's at 205. So a little bit, sorry, a little bit late on telling you guys, but it doesn't really matter. All right. I'm going to put it in here. I bought how can I word this? I entered a partial entry on Solana today at 217 on September 28th, 2025 at everyone. All right, there we go. There you go. Now it's all on recording. It's in the history books. So you guys know. And basically, I'm going to go over really quick, even though I shouldn't be going over this for free. Really quick, I just saw a big dump. Overall sentiment looks really, really nice. I do think through October and Q4, Bitcoin will go up, and I do think Solana will go up. The reason why I'm entering Solana is because we're really overextended on Bitcoin. So I'm really like questioning how much Bitcoin will actually go up if I'm right. Because yes, I might be right on Bitcoin, but it might only go up like 5%. But Solana, I could be right, and this thing could bump like 60%. And I can make a ton of money off of it, right? So I'm pretty confident in Bitcoin. I do think Bitcoin will hold strong and most likely actually go up over time. So I thought, okay, we had a really, really big dump on Solana, minus 13% this week. So I said, fuck it, let me just get in. I was actually going to get in on Monday instead. But I saw us start to like actually go up a little bit today. So I decided, okay, let me just enter type of thing, right? Where did I enter? Enter this morning. Yeah, around 9. That's where I woke up. So I said, okay, let me just enter now instead of just waiting until tomorrow because no point. And then I can actually say I entered and have it on stream for you guys. So yeah, I kind of did my entry a little bit early just for you guys. But again, it's not really going to matter. $5 doesn't mean shit on Solana, right? So yeah, that's what we did. Is making 5K per month and gonna have to quit my job? Probably not. All right. So that's what I got going on. Bought some Solana. Game plan. I'm not gonna give everything out for free, but game plan will be I'm either gonna be right, make a lot of money, or I'm gonna be wrong. Short time frame. We're gonna come down. I'm gonna be able to scale in. Again, partial position here, not a full position. I did not full port this like I did with Bitcoin the last couple of times. Partial position to allow myself to average down if I need to, right? Because Solana is a little bit crazy. So yeah, big dump this week though. And a lot of times when you have these big dump weeks, it recovers relatively nice. And overall, I'm pretty confident in Bitcoin. And I love where Bitcoin is right now. I love where it is. I really wanted it to be that like 110 to 100 zone. Tapped right into it. So I do think we could see a good reversal here. Or maybe come down a little bit more to like here and then reverse. Either way, this is a long-term play. Again, long-term play. Let me emphasize this. This is a long-term play. This is not a day trade. I'm going to be holding this for months, okay? So this is like a I told you so in a couple months, but not I told you so within next week. Hopefully it just booms this week, but yeah. This is a longer term play. So that is what I am doing. And yeah. I might call it the students. I'm going to go down in depth why I took this probably tomorrow. But yeah, so I give you guys a free entry because I do this, right? I gave you guys this Bitcoin trade for free. I gave you guys this Bitcoin trade for free. I gave you guys this SPX trade for free that I'm still in, actually. Look at this, holy. That I'm still in. And I gave you the QQQ trade for free. So I'm just doing this, guys, to flex on you, to be honest. I'm not afraid to say it. It's just so I can say, hey, I told you so, right? Build a little bit of credibility on my name and then make the people who actually listen to me money. Not financial advice, obviously, but I'll probably say I told you so in a couple months. And I've been doing this, gave this out for free, gave Bitcoin out for free here and for free here, all on my Instagram and all in my free Discord. And I posted this one now on YouTube, on Discord, and on my Instagram group chat channel. So yeah, that's what we're cooking up. If you guys haven't already, you guys can go to my Instagram profile and there's a Vito's Secret Sauce channel. You can join that so that you don't miss anything. But yeah, this is posted here. Boom. There you go. Okay. What questions do we have on that? Yeah, I have a case study coming out. Dude, I have an 18-year-old that made $33,000 last month, which is insane. Amazing. When these long-term trades, is it that might you're willing to lose or you have a stop loss? I mean, I don't even... My stop loss on Solana is probably like here. If we get below here, then I'm gonna have to really reevaluate. So I just have a massive stop loss. This is a long-term play, so I don't really expect to ever have to like cut my losses, because overall I do think crypto will go up over time. So yeah. Can you explain why you use a stop loss and when you get out? Use a soft stop loss so that if it comes up and reacts off the level and then goes back in my direction, I don't get stopped out. But I'll take out of the trade like if it's going to close on the 1 minute above the level, because that's really dangerous. Vlad, that's a recent rule that I've incorporated just because I've seen some stuff. Why do you trade on multiple accounts so you can make more money? Because I just put all the money in one account, so I don't have to enter multiple times. But yeah. Are you long on Solana? Yes, I longed this morning when I woke up, right here. Let me actually put the time. What is it? 9-28. Okay, just so they know. Okay, how can I like how can I turn this? Or can I just I'll change it to this. Okay. All right, let me clip farm real quick. Okay. It is September 28th, 2025. I have long Solana at 200. guys hear me? My mic just disconnected. Type a 1 if you guys can hear me, bro. Oh my god. Hello? Hello? Okay. We're good? All right. One second. I got a clip from again. Okay. It is September 28th, 2025. I have long Solana at $200.17. Long-term play. There you go. Clip from right there. So now it's on recording. No going back now. All right. So that's what we got for news, or I guess big plays. Again, I've been out of crypto for a little bit. I took profit here. A little bit of a mistake on my end. I don't know. I made a lot and I wanted to buy a Lamborghini. So took out a little bit preemptively. But it's chill. We're back in now. And now the crypto fun fucking begins again. So we'll see. I don't even know like how to fucking put this. I'll just put it like this or whatever. So yeah, I guess we'll see what Solana ends up doing. But yeah, all right, enough of Solana. We had a phenomenal week this week. I went 4 wins, 1 loss this week. Very, very good stuff. Fridays have just been horrible though. So I might actually stop trading Fridays from now on. So we're going to see how things work. We took 5 trades, 4 wins, 1 loss. Very, very good week. A couple of easy trades in my opinion. And then took a nice little reversal play on Monday because the opening price action just wasn't what I was looking for. So what questions do we have? What questions do we have? How much you make from the last BTC trade? Multi 6 figures for sure. I made a lot of money. The last BTC trade was what made me a millionaire. So this basically made me a millionaire right here. So yeah, made a lot of money on it. So I full ported that. Backtesting Session, yes, we're about to get into it. I don't trade SPX Vlad at all. I made like 100K from prop firms, then I immediately put into a live account and just did it. Why don't you just de-risk on Fridays? If I'm not confident in trading, then why am I putting any money on the table, right? This doesn't make sense. If I want to do leverage crypto long term, I'm not going to tell you because that's not what you should be doing. How much SOL did you buy? A lot. Multi 6 figures. Can you upload this live? Yeah, I will. If it doesn't get demonetized, I will. Sharing the news Monday has been fine recently. I'm not going to tell you guys where you can leverage because I don't want to promote that. If you guys want to do it, you can just look it up, do it yourself. I'm not going to promote that at all. So, yeah. What are they levels you mark out for your TPs? I do my take profits based off liquidity levels and for value gaps. And for NAS, any new rule? No. Nah, when I was on gold, it's just a free for all. Your first payoffs for funding with TGR strategy? No, I actually didn't. I became profitable when I became profitable the week after I stopped trading TGR strategy. That's not a joke either. It's crazy. But yeah, it's really funny because I was back when TGR did live trading, and then my first week of like just trading on my own and not listening to him, I made like a ton of money, and then started passing funders, and that's basically what I did. I used to use some crazy OG strategy that I fucking created. So yeah, really crazy stuff there. Do you ever short for long-term investments? Very rarely I will short for long-term investments. That's a great question though. I love it. Who's up with last week's live stream? I can't. It got taken down because I used like a bad song in it or whatever. Going live was the best decision you ever made. The best decision I ever made was trading. I mean, I know people who can make money on fundeds and people who make it on live. It doesn't really matter. I don't see share caps and what? Yeah, that's for students only. Why don't I trade Forex? Dude, Forex is sketchy. And I think it's just less consistent. How did I come up with this velocity strat? Because I've just been watching the markets for 3 years straight, and I saw the same thing happen over and over. And I said, hey, I could probably do this and win more times than I will lose. So I made a strategy over it. Why do I trade Hero FX? Because I want everything done in crypto. Makes it easy. Because I'm like, I mean, as you saw the whole first half of this stream, I'm very big on crypto and I made a lot of money through crypto. So making money is half the game, but multiplying the money you made is the other half. So it just makes it easier for me to do that second step. But yeah. No, it's way better to trade with a 100K funded. Whatever's going to make you more money. But when you have an equal amount of money in your live account as you would like a normal funded, then that's when it's time to switch. Where do you buy crypto for long term? So for crypto for long term, I use Coinbase. And then for normal stuff long term, I use Robinhood. So very normal stuff. So yeah. Why do you need to read the director indices? Again, I want everything done through crypto. Just makes it easier for me to rotate money into my long-term crypto portfolio. I think there's there's definitely trading accounts that do it with Muslims, so you should be fine. For Palantir, I'm keeping a strong eye on it. I'll tell you that much. What would you do if there was a world war? Make money off of it. Like how to make money? Just see what the powerful people are doing and then copy them. Duh. Pretty annoying. Yeah, it kind of sucks. If you could start over again, what would you do differently? I would start trading my strategy immediately. That's literally it. Whatever happened to Veto Coin? Did you rug pull all your students? I never made a coin. Ever. So if you are drawing like you're just waiting for price almost. Yes. Wait for price? It's almost to the draw. No, there's a lot more that goes into it. Think about Aster. I don't even know what that is. Time frame for swing trading. I don't really. My swing trades aren't really based off price action, to be honest. So there is no time frame I use. So yeah. And your strat would be good for more years to come. Yeah, especially the next 3 years. My strategy would be great. Especially when Trump is in office, my strategy is going to be amazing. And it's been amazing since Trump has been there. But yeah. How much time do you spend per day on trading? Like 5 minutes. I just get in and out. I'm a one-trick pony. I played the first 5 minutes of New York Open and I'm done. That's it, right? It's a lot easier to play 5 minutes, or it's a lot easier to know what's going to happen in 5 minutes than try and predict what's going to happen over an hour. So I'm a one-trick pony. Makes me all my money. So I'm in and out and I dip. That's it. It took me like a year. It took me like a solid year to make all my money from prop firms. It took me a long time. No, I would use prop firms in the beginning for sure. Minimum amount of money to start, $50, and I'd put it into a prop firm. What do you think about monkeys? Monkeys are pretty chill. I think they're like one of the more interesting animals, and yeah, kind of rock on them. Dude, my fantasy team's fucked. I had Mike Evans and CeeDee Lamb. They're both hurt, so my whole team's just over. And I had Josh Daniels. Is that his name? I forget. The Commanders quarterback. So he's hurt too. My whole team's fucked. Can I use a strategy in Forex? You can. It's not going to be as good though. What should I be doing to get out of this plateau? See what I do on the days. And then, yeah. Will the strat work long term? Probably. I mean, I can't see the future, but if I had to guess, I would say probably. Are you good at Warzone? I'm okay. What's your RR per trade? It's different every trade. Why would you have the same RR for a market that's different every day, right? So yeah. You know, Trump made 335 mil off launching a meme coin. Crazy. Yeah. But he made that money for other people. He doesn't need the money, obviously. Is there anything you could have done to speed up your process? Yeah. I mean, if I had myself and I could learn from myself, I would have sped it up a ton. Jaden Daniels, yes. Trading window timeline. Wait, set up max. I literally just trade from 9:30 to like 9:40. That's it. That's it. All right, let's get into the actual backtesting now. So overall this week we did pretty good. We did really good actually. This is one of my better weeks. I had not a really good week last week. Trading has been very consistent though. I've been true to the win rate. Win rate has been, oh my gosh, has it been a full year? Oh, not quite. It's almost been a full year since I started tracking everything. Let me see. We have 3 days left. Okay. So my win rate over the past year has been a 72.87%. And these weeks have been pretty true to that. I'm winning about 75 to 80% recently, which is amazing. So had a really good week. This week was very, very good because we had some bigger trades in this week, which is amazing. This is exactly what I want. Again, I'm not really big on high RR trades, but if they give it to me, I'm going to take it, obviously. So yeah, we did very, very good this week. And I really do think when we go over and we just backtest it, we're going to see a lot of wins. Looked really, really good. So yeah, we had a pretty lackluster week followed up with a big week. So stay consistent. How much did I make this month? Let's check. Ready? We know outside this house, Shawty is a eater. What she wanna see us? Okay. Starting 337 through. Wait, F. No, we need E. Right? E through E. Yeah. Oh, we are so close. Oh my gosh. All right. We're very, very close to a $100,000 month again. Perfect. Wow. All right. So we got 2 days to make 3K. That is amazing. So we're doing very, very good this month. And we're very close to hitting 100K. That's the goal. My goal every month is to hit 100K a month. Very, very nice. But yeah. All right. So we did very good this week. Great comeback from a little bit of a lackluster week on here. As always, we're going to start off on NASDAQ. So do we have any questions before we start here, boys? If not, I'm going to get right to it. Cool. All right, any questions before we start? What's your sports betting balance at? I just do it for fun. I've had people do it in 1 month, Vlad. It's not really that hard. Like the test, I'm about to put out a video where there's a 18-year-old in college who made $33,000 last month, and he like joined a couple months ago. It doesn't take that long if you know what you're doing. Or are we losing every Friday? Dude, Friday's just not been good. You think your shot will stop working in the future? Probably not. Your shot works for every instrument? Yeah, it's going to work for every instrument. I just think it works the best on mine. What change from prop to live account? I actually get 100% of the money I make. And the filter an ass. You please go over your stop loss placement, please? Yeah, I just put it past the level most days. What do you see your net worth being in 20 years? In 20 years, I'll probably be worth over 100 million. 20 years is so long, bro. I haven't even been alive for 20 years. So it's like probably 100 mil. Because the thing is, once you have money, the opportunities to make more money are just so much easier. So yeah, did I buy a SVJ? No, they wouldn't improve me, so I had to buy a Huracan. So it's kind of lame. Will I ever stop trading? No. I can now confidently say that because I have other stuff I do. Once I have a lot of capital, I'll probably just do my other strategies that I don't publicly say. But yeah. I don't know about day trading, maybe. We'll see. I don't know. See how I'll see in 20 years how I'm feeling. All right, let's go back to Monday here. All right, so Monday fun day on NASDAQ. So overall, these are my levels for Monday fun day. And look at this, we broke out of the levels beforehand. Therefore, I don't really want to take any trades. But, I mean, I had a ton of students win this day based off this level. This level was really, really good. So I think I am going to call this a mistake for me. We had this level really right here, which is really nice. We see push, retrace, second push, enter. If you enter long, like anywhere within here, you're winning this trade. Okay, ready? Let's see. So low is here, push, retrace, second push. Let's say you get a bad fill there. Let's say you put the TP light or stop loss here. And yeah, as long as you're not targeting over a 2RR, which you shouldn't be with my strategy, you're winning this. So honestly, I think I'm going to count this as a win. This level looks really, really good, and I just didn't do it, and I decided to take US 30 instead. But overall, I think this is definitely a win. I had a ton of students win this day. So I'm going to say it's a win because that looked pretty easy, right? Yeah, we did break past this level, but we had another great level here. So you just could have gone like this. There's your two levels because this level looked really good. Highs, bottoms, and then little wick out. Boom. Push, retrace, second push. Stop loss below level. Take profit at liquidity or something here. Put it like, I don't know, one of these liquidity points. Or like this one. Looks like a good one. Would have been a smooth like 1 to 1.3 RR trade. So that would be really nice. So yeah, I'm going to count that as a winning day for sure. And then Tuesday, I believe we took this trade. Yep, we did. Very nice trade here on Tuesday. Really easy stuff. Top level here, bottom level here. What do we see? Come up, wick this out. Doesn't really mean much, but boom, we come down. Boom, first push here, retrace, and then you take the second push. Guys, something that some of my students get confused on. You take the second push past the first push, not past the level. So you see how this first push is here and this wick is here? You now need to wait for it to push past that wick to enter, right? So we have our first push and then our retrace, and then the second push, we're waiting for the second push to push past that first push, hence why it's called a second push. So we're waiting for it to push past here. Boom, it pushes past here. We enter, stop loss above level, take profit at liquidity. I got filled a little bit better. Boom. Very nice, very easy trade as stated. So I thought that was pretty good. All right, let's go to Wednesday. Where's Wednesday? Wednesday was just another easy win. All right, look at this. We open here, level here, level here. What do we see? Nice little retrace. Great. Just a little bit more confirmation. What are we waiting for? We're looking for a push, a retrace, and a second push, and then you enter. You literally could have entered fucking anywhere down here, and then you would have won. So let's say you got a horrible entry. You entered all the way there. Boom. Another massive trade here, boys. Like, look at this. Literally, all you're doing is waiting for a push past this level, for it to retrace a little bit, and then a second push. You're entering. Stop loss above the level, take profit at a level or liquidity or whatever you want to do it. Again, another easy win. I don't even think I took that one. Yeah, I didn't even take that one, and it was still an easy trade. So Wednesday would have been another easy win here. And I think Thursday and Friday were not as easy, if I remember correctly. Just kidding. It was. It was just as easy. I ended up taking this too, right? Yep. All right, what do we do? We have a level here. So basically, boys, when there's no levels, you can just play the low. Little sauce for you there. Just play the low. But obviously, you want to be a little bit more patient. So basically, what I did was I waited for a push and then a retrace, and then I waited for a massive second push here. Since this level isn't really a level and it's just liquidity, I want to be a little bit more passive on that. That's why I entered so late, and I took a very just small trade here. Yeah, hence why it's like a 1-to-1 RR here. Yeah, so literally a push, retrace, and then I just waited for a really, really big second push. And that was it. Entered short, and we just went down. I literally could have had the best trade of all time, but again, can't predict the future, so I just take small trades and easy stuff there. NASDAQ looked phenomenal this week. Wow, that's insane. Dude, NASDAQ has been great. Much, much better than these past 2 weeks. Then Friday was just booty cheeks, I believe. You maybe could have won. No, you couldn't have won. I had my level here. We broke past the level cleanly. I'm not taking that short. If you took the short, you did win, but realistically, I'm not taking that because we broke past. So we're in a no trade day. Very, very good week on NASDAQ, though. A lot of just like straight moves in one direction here. Like, look at this. That's exactly what we want. Straight down off rip. Straight down off rip. Straight down off rip. Straight up. There you go, right? So this is literally what I saw. People ask, how did you make this strategy? I literally see the same things happen over and over. So I made a strategy around it, and that's how it works. So very, very easy stuff. So what questions do we have on that, boys? Yeah, bro, September protection for me has not been good. Yeah, for my strategy, it's been great. That your 19-year-old is your student. Yeah, for my testimonial. You're going to see an 18-year-old in college that made $33,000 last month on prop firms, which is crazy. Insane. What do you favorite your time frames? Because I have muscle memory a bit, so yeah. Do I pay for TradingView? I do pay for TradingView. Vito wearing a shirt for the first time? For real. Where do I learn the Vito strat? I have free education on it, so you can do that. Oh wait, let me pin a comment. Discord. All right. Let me pin that comment real quick. All right, there you go. So yeah, there's free education on it, and I literally do free live streams every single day for it. I probably just hit let's go. Oh, I wonder how mine's doing. I actually have a parlay. Let me check that real quick. It better be going well. Yes, the Patriots are winning. That's one leg. And then the Chargers are losing. That's not good. All right. What's the point of that box? It's a fair value gap or a 15-minute BPR. Yeah. I'll probably just do like investment plays. That's only for my students, unfortunately. My position size calculator, because it's literally coded. So it's not like one you can just go find. I coded it myself. Do you ever take trades with this strategy if it's a super strong noticeable push? That's when I want to take it. So yes. I'm having a problem with stop loss, something that needs to be far below the level and something that only needs to work the level. Yeah, I mean, you just got to see like where your entry is. If you can, put it as far as possible. But if you can't, then it should be fine. Thoughts on GT3RS? I'm not a fan of it, to be honest. Like, could have bought that, but I just bought a Lamborghini instead. I think Lamborghini is more fun. GT3RS is a track car, and I'm not on a track, so it doesn't matter. When's the vid dropping? Guys, every single one of you, if you haven't liked the vlog that I posted, go like that real quick for me. I'd really appreciate it. Where do I learn your strat? Pop a Vito. You can learn it in my free Discord, gang. I literally do live streams every day for it. Do you see your strat working next 50 years? Bro, why the fuck are you worrying about 50 years from now anyway? I might be dead in 50 years. Who fucking knows? I'm going to be a grandfather at that point. I don't fucking know. For Wednesday, that box for value gap, where block. It was BPR. How you find your lows? Like, what are they based off of? I have a whole video on that. I'm not going to go over it. Keep backtesting? Yeah, I'm going to do US30 next. What's the realistic payout you can get from a 200K funding before blowing it? Probably 20K. That's 10%. When do you buy? Dude, I gotta buy the fish shirt. You're right. Vito got the hunter eyes. Do I? What strat did you use for prop firms? I use this strat. It can. I just like to use the 5 personally. I think backtesting is worth it using the 1 second. Yeah, it could definitely be good. No, Lego Empire. I just wouldn't even do that at all. I'm worried that if I eliminate one of my mistakes and focus on another, the old one come back. I mean, I don't know. If you can't discipline yourself enough to like not make the same mistakes again, then that's gonna be like a major problem just in life, right? Because when you are working on something and you fix the mistake, I mean, that basically means nothing unless you can not do it again. So just don't be stupid and remember your rules. Like I don't even know what to say to that. Like if you touch a hot pan and then you burn your hand, but then you need to go learn how to ride a bike. If you come back and fucking touch the hot pan again, then yeah, you're just stupid, right? Like you gotta learn from your mistakes. So that's part of it. You want the retrace to be as big as possible. My stop losses are normally between 15 to 30 pips. You recommend moving from forex to futures? I mean, I don't know what your strategy is, but for me, that's what I did personally, and it did great. Is your investing strategy working in the next 20 to 40 years? Yes. My investing strategy is probably one of the best strategies ever, which is why I won't ever talk about it publicly. When 720S, I don't like 720Ss. Lambo is better. Fredo's in that building right there. He's in the Paramount. So it's pretty good. Or wait. Panorama. That's what it's called. Panorama is good. You think the average college student can trade successfully? That's what I literally did. I was a college student before. Have I met Zaya Wade? Do you know who that is? Yeah. That's so good. It errors kind of every time. Did you get like the invite from me? It should be like an invite sent to your email type of thing. What platform would you recommend? I think TopStep is good, but I'm not affiliated with anything. I have no sponsorships or nothing. So obviously do whatever you want. A lot of my students have said good things about TopStep though. I love you, Vito. I'll get you a nice bitch. 720 S or Lambo? Lambo personally. How old are you? 19. Oh yeah, dude. If you're trying to trade delayed, then that's cooked. How much money is good to start trading? You can start trading with like $50, dude, to be honest. Have I met Fredo? No. Oh, with equal highs and lows? That's a whole different strat. I'm not going with that. Can you afford a Aventador? Yeah, I could afford the fucking Bugatti technically. But that would just be a horrible financial investment. How much is a Bugatti monthly payment? Yeah, I could do that. I could afford a Bugatti technically. It just would just be a stupid decision to do. I don't think Bugattis are really that cool. So yeah. So how much should I make to move to Miami, live comfortable in Panorama building? I would say like $30,000 to $35,000 a month. Do you day trade? Yeah. Love your car, bro. So sick. What do you like most of? I love how loud it is, and I love that's all-wheel drive. So it's really, really nice. I love the car. The only thing I don't like about it is I don't like that it doesn't have a wing. I gotta put that on, and it doesn't have a touchscreen. A little bit old, but it is. But yeah, Lambo you have is fire. Thank you. I appreciate it. Does it lift? Yes, it does. or else the bottom would just be fucking destroyed. But it's awesome. I love that car. Like it's gonna be very hard for me to get a new car, but I'm gonna get a, like an SVJ or SVR soon. It took me over a year to become profitable. So yeah. All right, cool. Let's go over US 30 now. So NASDAQ looked very, very good this week. Very, very easy in my opinion. Wait, US 30. All right, let's go over US 30 now. Let's go to Monday Fun Day. Oh yeah, this was easy. So Monday on US 30, look at this. We had a top level here, bottom level here. Look, we actually come up, hit this top level, and then reverse. Really, really easy. And then, guys, normal shit here. Push, retrace, second push, enter. Stop loss above the level. Take profit at liquidity or wherever the fuck you want to put it, right? Boom. Easy one. Right? Easy stuff. I should have taken that trade. I messed up, but I played a crazy reversal. But yeah, it was an easy one. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Look at this. We have a top level here. Or what? You could even put the top level here. Fuck it. Put it there. What do we see? What are we waiting for? We're waiting for a push, a retrace, and then a second push. You enter long. Literally, you could have put your stop loss fucking anywhere, and you would have won this trade. Could have put your stop loss or take profit fucking anywhere, dude, and you would have won. You literally could have hit a 10 RR in this bitch. Not quite a 10. Could have hit a 9.5 RR. Like, it does the same shit over and over, guys. Push, retrace, second push, enter. Like, I don't understand how you guys don't see these big-ass moves in the morning and then just fucking ignore them. Like, I don't know. How do you look at that? How do you see this happen for the past, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It literally, the move like this literally happened every single day last week. And then you just ignore it instead of actually playing it. Crazy. Look at this. Oh my God, it's the same thing. Level here. Push, retrace, second push, enter. Take profit hit. Like, I don't even know what the fuck else to go over. It's like just big ass moves. And it's literally just a push, retrace, second push. And just have your levels. That's literally it. And I literally give you the levels for free in the morning. So it's like, what the fuck? It's insane. That's why 18-year-olds are making 30K a month in my fucking Discord. It's insane. Yeah, level here, what? Let's say enter here. Doesn't even fucking matter. Literally could have entered anywhere long on this and won. I literally hit a 2R on this shit too. I just entered earlier because we invalidated that for value gap. So I liked it a little bit more. So yeah, easy trade again. Let's go to Thursday. I wonder what Thursday is going to be like. Oh, Thursday actually doesn't look good. Thursday actually looks bad. Wow, look at that. So this is like the first time out of the last, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we had 7 days where it just went, and then Thursday was the one day it didn't go. But guess what? We didn't trade it. Why? Because we didn't get a push, retrace, second push. So we got our first push here. We never got a second push. We got our first push here, never got a second push. So you don't take it. And then you wait for 3 minutes on US 30. If US 30 does not make a big ass move within those first 3 minutes, you're done. So therefore, you're not trading this. No trade day. I don't even think there's gonna be a single loss, bro. Oh wait, there is, because I took a loss. Yeah, I took this loss, but this I shouldn't even traded it. Yeah, makes sense. Because I was thinking, I'm like, it shouldn't be a loss, but then I actually did take a loss. But this was just a bad trade, straight up. So I shouldn't even taken it. If I actually listened to my rules, it would have been fine. This one, we get a level here. Push, retrace, never got a second push. You don't enter. That's it. Wow, what a great fucking week, honestly. So this was definitely one of my better weeks, and it shows what we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you literally just played a push, retrace, second push, you would have had 7 fucking wins, and then 3 break evens. or slash no trade, 0 losses. That might be like one of the better weeks ever. Let me see. Oh, we had one like this. We had an 8-2. So yeah, it was just a very easy week, honestly. Like, it was just very blatant, very big pushes in either direction. That's exactly what we're looking for. And made out with a ton of money this week, so it's really good. Slightly underperformed. I really just shouldn't have taken this. I knew I shouldn't have taken it. I still fucking took it, which is gay. So that's just my fault. But hey, no one's perfect. Made a mistake. And yeah, other than that, I think we did very, very good this week. So what questions do we have on that? What was your aha moment when everything clicked? My aha moment was finding out that there is no aha moment, and it's just small improvements every single day. That's an STO. It's good. I like STOs. My boy's going to get one. That's me coming over. That's funny. Did your strat work for Forex? Yes, just not as fun. I'm not even saying that. How do you calculate your position? This. You just kind of say, okay, how big is my stop loss? Let's say my stop loss is 20. And then there you go. Boom. And that's going to adjust to how many lots you need to put. What just even happened, bro, to my chart? But yeah, that's how it works right there. Which is the premium? What are you talking about? What apps do you use to rent usually for Miami? Rent what? You can't rent anything if you're under 25. It's illegal in the U.S. So, I don't know. Where's your learning investing strat? So, I've gotten 3 offers to work at hedge funds. And I literally just went in and I saw what they were doing. And then I decided to just not join them and do it on my own. So, that's what I did. Do you know Julian Petrolis? I see you becoming like him in 10 years. I will, but I just won't be public about it. What time frame to use the most? 5 minute. When Biden was president and you're coming out with this strat, was it good? It was good, not great though. It was okay. But now Trump is in office. It's just a lot more going on. Okay. Ready? Listen to this comment. Would you rather be black or Jew like Derek?
What?
This comment says, would you rather be black or Jewish like Derek? New to trading wigs, that's a fair value gap. It's just a gap where there's no like price action, so it just wants to get filled type of thing. Think about ecom like dropshipping versus trading. I think trading is just way easier to pick up. Oh, for an apartment, you can just use Airbnb. How do you get offered to work at a hedge if you know what the fuck you're doing? They'll want you to make the money, so that's kind of how it works. I think it was because one of their sons, when I used to like live stream, I would literally live stream 100K months in front of people's faces. It was insane. I used to live stream like 100K months in front of like 200, 300 people. I think there was a son of someone powerful in there. So word got around or something. If I were to fly out to Miami this summer, would you link? If you're one of my mentorship students, probably. If not, I don't know you, so I gotta be careful. Is Derek mad when you call him a Jew? Derek, do you get mad when I call you a Jew?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't care.
Nah, he doesn't get mad because he's Jewish. What's Derek up to? Being Jewish. I do use leverage. But you guys don't understand. I use the leverage just so I don't have to put a ton of money into the account. I don't like fucking full port my account. So yeah. What's your risk on 150K top step? I would risk about I think like $750 to be pretty chill. Nah, maybe a little bit more. Maybe like $1,000 would be good. Am I needed of an editor? No. I'm all good. Thanks for the opportunity though. Derek, do you miss your foreskin?
No, I'm not Jewish.
What do you mean you're Jewish? What does amount of contracts mean? That's just my lot size. Like how much I actually enter the trade with. All right, cool. Do you have any other questions before we put some low beans? Again, it would just still be $1,000 a mini. I fixed the Lambo tire situation. I fixed it. It's all good. Nah, bro. I love the Jewish. Dude, honestly, like, I respect them a lot. I rock with it. I rock with them. They're tough. Yeah, I'm gonna add a wing on it. So should I enter, bro? What you should be entering is different every single trade. You should do live trading again. Nah, because the problem is I used to do live trading, but then everyone just used me as a signal bot, and no one was actually learning. And then I'd have like a losing week, which is bound to happen, obviously. And then everyone fucking leaves. So it's just horrible, and it's just bad for business. It's just stupid. So it's just not even worth doing anymore. If I was looking at a heart rate monitor, that's funny. You take your trades live? I don't do it anymore, but I record it back. Because if I take them live, then no one learns and they just copy. So I literally, what I do is I stream before and after. And then when I'm actually trading, I just record it. Just so people actually learn. Am I done backtesting? Yes, I just finished. But this will be This will be like saved on YouTube, so you should be fine. Hope you probably just hit, bro. Thank you, I appreciate it. All right, but trade live so we can all get rich? No, because then I'm gonna have a losing week, and then it's gonna be my fucking fault when everyone blows their fundeds. This is what happened. I was doing so good, everyone started full porting, then I had a losing week, and then everyone lost their accounts because they're all full porting. So they're fucking all mad at me. So it was a whole thing. Yeah, it was gay. We won't blame you. Other people will, so it doesn't matter. All right. Cool. Any other questions before we put some little beans? Fuck it. We're gonna just play it right now. Let's go. All right, everyone join up. Uh-oh. Sorry, it's gonna be loud. 30-second ad? Oh my gosh.
Hey, Meta.
Hey, Meta.
Play my hooping playlist.
Yeah.
Hey, Meta. Take a video.
Hey, Meta, how strong is the wind today?
The wind is blowing 12 miles per hour from the northwest.
This ad's actually pretty tough, I'm not gonna lie.
I made it.
That was pretty tough. All right, let's go. Everyone join up. Let's run this shit. Let's run this shit. You guys don't know what this is? It's basically like a knockoff of Fall Guys, so it's funny as fuck. So yeah. If you haven't already, go like my vlog I just posted. I'm responding to the comments right now. What's your success rate? Oh. That's funny. All right, everyone join up. Let's go. Join up, join up, join up. Let me customize my guy. I like the Galaxy, though. The Galaxy is fun. This car is pretty tough. Ooh, that purple looks nice. That's probably just the same as my other one. That looks pretty tough. Little perp ski. If I do red, like a little. Wait. If I do black. Oh. Wait, this has got to be black. Yeah. And then this has to be white. No, I don't even fucking know anymore. Alright, let's see. I'm going with this. Alright, everyone join up. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Alright, we're starting it. No way, bro. This guy stole my name. He doesn't have the battle pass though, so he's not cool enough. Not cool enough for me. All right. Yeah, everyone go like the recent vlog as well. Responding to all the comments and comment on it if you haven't already. I'm responding to all the comments. I'm looking right now. Look, I got all of them. Yeah, literally respond to every single comment on there. All right, let's do a map again. Beacon Bay. Let's go. Let's go. Yup. 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 Oh, we're cooking. Let's go. Abby. Oh my God. Yeah, Abby needs to get slimed out immediately. Oh, I'm cooking. Oh, I'm cooking. Abby's cooking too, though. That's not good. Cannot let that happen. Oh my God, we have a sweat. We have a sweat in our lobby. What the fuck? This guy is the crown. That means like he was on the leaderboard for like most wins or something. That's crazy. Holy, I just cooked. But dude, this is like competitive ass lobby. That's not good. Heart the monkeys. Fundamental environment. Bitch, I'm a menace to school supremacy for the environment. Alright, why is it taking everyone so long to fucking finish? Holy, you guys suck. Dude, yeah, I don't know what is going on. Alright. Next map, let's go. Lava Lake. I like this map. I'm a fan. Alright, let's go. Okay. Oh, 2 can play that game, boy. 2 can play that game. This guy's such a sweat. Oh my God. Just for the environment. Uh-oh. No, I didn't make it. Oh, I didn't make it again. I'm not gonna make it again, dude. Hold up. I gotta lock in. I gotta lock in. I gotta lock in. I gotta lock in. Move, bruh. Craig, what are we doing? Oh my God. I don't know why I didn't jump right there. All right, I made it. Yeah. Yeah, I saw my deck polo. All right. Wow. Let's see who's going to be the last one to make it. Lottie. All right. Let's go. Dude, this guy is killing all of us, bro. We cannot let him win. What a tryhard. We got to take him down. Give me a good map. I don't really love this map, if I'm being honest. Come on, bitch. Get up, get up. Okay. Good start, great start, actually. All right, let's see. It's not the middle. Let's try this one. No, it's literally that one. Why didn't, oh my gosh. Come on, bro. Come on. No, go, dude. Wait. In, bro. Bro, I'm gonna lose my mind.
Hey, Meta.
Hey, Meta.
Play my
Dude, again, this stupid ad. The unskippable ad of Doom.
Meta, take a video.
Hey Meta, how strong is the wind today?
The wind is blowing 12 miles per hour from the
Ugh. All right. Last game, let's go. Stupid freaking game. All right, join up, boys, join up. This is the last one, so might as well. Total I need 3. All right, let's see what the Chargers are doing. Okay, everyone join up. Pager's doing good. Chargers are kind of back in the game. Love it. All right, one more minute and then I'm starting it. The Buccaneers suck. No, they're playing a good team though. They're playing Philly. Dude, Patriots moneyline was so free. Can I be your passenger princess, Vito? All right, let's wait for these two people to load in, and then we'll get started here. All right, let's go. Uh-oh. This song is unreleased. Oh, no. That's not good. Oh, this fucking stream might get taken down now. I can't have it taken down, though. Shit. All right, hopefully YouTube didn't pick up on that. We'll see, though. We'll see. We'll skip the song. Act like nothing ever happened. All right. So if this stream gets taken down, I'm gonna have to like cut it out because I need this stream up type of thing because I need to show everyone that I bought Solana today. Not financial advice, by the way. All right. We'll see. Hopefully YouTube just doesn't even care. I'm sure they will care, but it's whatever. All right, bet. Cooking. Cooking. What are you pushing me for, dumbass? Oh my god. Money running from the police. Okay. Oh yeah. I'm cooking. Let me like, yeah. No way. Bro, what the fuck are we doing? Oh my god, I'm not even gonna get high enough. What? How did I even get over here? How do I get back up? Oh, and I just faced through the floor. Awesome. Love it. All right, we made it. That's all that matters. Massive video? No. Don't even start that. All right. Holy, this guy's special needs. Holy. Bean goes AFK right before the finish line. Love it. Player can even get up. Wow, we all suck, huh? Okay. All right, next map. Oh, bro, I hate this one. I hate this map, bro. This map's so lame. Like I'm Papa Bear. Yeah, Polo, you can't hit me now, bitch. Yeah, Polo can't hit me now. That's what I thought. That's what I fucking thought. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're cooking. We're cooking. Oh, only 3 more people. And they all just fucking moved like dumbasses. Okay. 2 more. You guys are stupid. Craig, what are you doing? Freaking Latina's gonna win now. All right. Let's go. Final one. All right. Mecca Maze. Here we go. Let's lock in. Polo's already being a fucking sweat, dude. No way, bro. That's not good. Yo, how does no one fucking remember? Guys, come on. Come on. We're so behind now. Oh my god. Dude, we all are just fucking stupid, apparently. Oh my god. Alright, does anyone remember? Oh, it looks like Polo remembers the whole fucking map, so it doesn't even fucking matter. Awesome. Oh, it's just... Oh, I was about to jump on that one. That's so stupid. Alright, that's it, boys. I will see you guys. Peace. I will be back at it tomorrow. Bought Solana today. Hopefully this doesn't get taken down. We'll see though. Alright, if you haven't already liked the new vlog I posted and join the free Discord. Peace. See you guys.